Let's see three cases of ROC. First case is the mod of z is greater than mod of a. Means greater than means where a stands for radius of the circle on the z plane. Mod z indicates that it is about ROC. Mod z is greater than mod a means ROC lies outside the circle of radius a on the z plane. So if you are representing this one on the z plane, let's see. This is z plane. This is z plane. Vertical axis represents imaginary part of z plane, and horizontal axis represents real part of z plane. So what is the condition for the first case? Mod of z is greater than a. So I drawn one circle on the z plane of radius a. So what is ROC? ROC is what? Is greater than a. Greater than a means outside the circle of radius a. So whatever the shaded part is there, that is ROC. Let's go for second case. Mod of z is less than mod of a. It means ROC lies inside. Less than means inside the circle of radius a. So if you are sketching this on the z plane, let's see. Second case. Okay, fine. Here I am drawing circle on the z plane. It is z plane. Okay, this is circle. This is imaginary part of z plane. Fine. It is a real part of z plane, and this circle is having the radius a. So what is the condition of our ROC? ROC is less than a. Less than a means it should lies inside the circle of radius a. So let us represent. So this is our ROC. This is origin. This is origin. So the shaded part indicates that ROC. Second case. Let's go for third case of ROC. Mod of z is greater than mod of a, but whereas it is less than mod of b. It nothing but we can say that ROC lies outside the circle of radius a, as well as ROC lies inside the circle of radius p. So it acts as a annular ring. Acts as a ring. Nothing but between a and b it lies. ROC lies between a and b. So let us sketch on the z plane. Case number 3. So we are getting two circles. It is what? Imaginary part of z plane. Horizontal axis represents the real part of z plane. First I am going to sketch one small circle that is of having radius a, and one more circle of radius b. So we have two circles. This is our origin. So as per our case, see, observe the case here. First point, see, observe this one. The mod of z is greater than a. Nothing but ROC lies outside the circle of radius a. This is radius a circle, correct? Outside this circle ROC lies, as well as mod of z is less than b. Less than b means inside the circle of b. So in between a and b it lies. So our ROC lies here. So it acts as a ring. It acts as a ring. This is our ROC. The shaded part will give the ROC. This is what? Z plane. So this is about a representation of ROC on the Z plane. See, we can see some other cases, nothing but poles and zeros of X of Z. Poles and zeros of Z transform. Poles and zeros of Z transform of X of Z. How we are going to represent poles and zeros? So X of Z equal to numerator divided by denominator. So like this, where which part represents poles and which part represents zeros, we'll see. The roots of the numerator polynomial, I will write here, numerator polynomial. This is denominator polynomial. So how we are going to calculate, find the zeros and poles for the given Z transform? See, very simple. The roots of the numerator polynomial known as zeros of x of z. Zeros of x of z. Okay. The roots of the numerator polynomial are known as zeros of x of z. Fine. For which x of z equal to 0. For which x of z equal to 0. This point we have to remember. And the roots of the denominator polynomial known as poles of x of z. Poles of x of z. For which x of z equal to infinity. Okay. For which x of z equal to infinity. Remember, for zeros of x of z, for which x of z is 0, poles of x of z, for which x of z is infinity. These 2 points we have to remember. Zeros locations are denoted by zero locations. Zero locations are indicated, are denoted by zero symbol, and pole locations are denoted by pole locations are denoted by x symbol on the z plane. This is about properties, nothing but definition of ROC, and some 3 cases, as well as the representation of poles and zeros on the Z plane. Okay, in the next session, we'll discuss uh, types of, nothing but some cases, nothing but properties of ROC we'll discuss. Okay, in the next section, we'll discuss properties of ROC.